Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to build an company research on unlikely on like positive reviews and negative reviews on a company and what are the trust rate of the company. I will show you the demo. We can check it out. First of all, we have to take the Google Sheets from the company URL. Here is the URL, and then we can here you complaints and positives and trust score. From these complaints are unbreakable, delay, delivery, and hi guys, in this video I will show you how to build a company deep research and complaints and positive talks and trust score of the company research. I will show you the demo I taken from the Google Sheets like a Amazon company. We can check a live demo. In this I taken the Amazon. Here is the Amazon from the Google Sheet and that is updated by the what are the complaints have and positive talks and the trust score from the this request. First of all, I will show you that there is a we have to take the trigger and then we have to add the Google Sheets. In that Google Sheet, we have to take the company name. We have to take the company name and then given to the Jina AI, what is called Jina AI. Here, once wait, Jina AI. Uh, Unfortunately, it is not working right. Hi guys, in this video I will show you a company. Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to build a company research, what are the complaints and the positive talk and the touch score of the company. I taken a company called the biggest company in the world, Amazon. It is a delivery company. Whatever we want we can buy or sell in that Amazon. I taken from the Go Amazon. Now we can check. Taken uploaded. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to research in a company like deep research on a company. What are the complaints and what are the positive talks and the trust score of the rate of the company. I will show you the demonstration. We can check. We can see in the Google Sheet I taken a company name. What are the complaints and positive talks and the trust score of the company. What are the complaints is unreliable and delayed delivery services, including the lost misplaced packages. First are the positive. One five-star rating praised a specific book on a Kali Highline and most and so far it is more is also there. In this video I will show you how to build this one. Go to the workflow. First of all I added a trigger node and then I uploaded the Google Sheets and taken the company name and company name and it is given to the Jina AI. For Jina AI, but it takes the small amount of the research on the company. What is called Jina AI. It is very uh, free credits for the searching of the company details, whatever we want, like a search engine. We have to take the API keys from this one, and after that we connected a basic LLM chain. In that, whatever we want, company name, description, keywords, target market, uh, headquarters, and the website content. It is taken from the previous data, and it is connected to the Gemini AI, and it is given to the again Gina AI for the scraping of the website called trustpolio.io. We are using the trustpilot.com review. Here we can see the review called Zomato. Here we can check it out Amazon. I'm taking the Amazon. We can check. I taken the Amazon trustpilot.com. It is given to the here. I taken up to the review. After that, company name is taken from the Google Sheets from the first one, and it's give the entire description whatever in the trustpilot.com. Here we can see what are this stuff is there. It is come to this n8n platform. After that, whatever stuff we want, we are given to the n8n age. I want positive talks and highlights and the complaint 1 2 3. I'm taking simply 1 2 3 and whatever trust score we have. It will give the like a fully complicated output, and again I written a code note for that to separate the complaints and the positive talk and trust score, and it is given to the Gemini. and it is given to the sheets, updated to sheets, and based on the company name, taken it is taken from the company name, taken from the Google Sheets, and then what are the complaints, and what are the positive talks, and what are the trust score we taken. If you want more companies deep research complaints and the positive talk trust score, we can add this one and simply trigger to the n8n platform. We can get very easily.